Did you know that in 1985, 12 people were killed by someone known as the vending machine killer? It started on May 30th in Fukuyama, Japan. An otherwise healthy man suddenly collapsed, writhing in pain. He died within hours. Doctors discovered paraquat, a highly toxic herbicide, in his system. Initially, it seemed like a tragic one-off incident, but over the next few months, 11 more people died and 36 were critically injured. The connection between the deaths? Vending machines. Many victims had picked up soda bottles near vending machines, thinking that they were part of a promotion. A popular drink called Orinamin C had a buy one get one free campaign, and the killer exploited this, lacing bottles with paraquat and leaving them around public vending machines. The randomness was terrifying. No fingerprints, no witnesses, and no clear motive. Panic gripped Japan. Police issued warnings, urging people to check for tampered caps, but the deaths kept rising. And then, as mysteriously as it started, it stopped. Was it a form of mass terror, corporate sabotage? To this day, no one knows. The vending machine killer left behind a chilling legacy, fear and unanswered questions that haunt Japan to this day.